All right, drink we're about to make is called Pearl Diver, and this is one of a few different versions of the drink. Let's go ahead and put some ice in a glass and measure out ½ ounce of rum. Follow that up with ½ ounce of triple sec and ½ ounce of melon liqueur. Should give us a nice green color. And we're just going to fill it with sour mix. All right, and let's shake it up. Now those first 3 ingredients should really take away from the sourness of your sour mix. It should go together really well. All right, we've got a glass with ice in it already. We're going to strain into that glass. There we go. And if you'd like to give it some color, something that'll go along with the nice bright green color, go ahead and give it a cherry. All right. Bottoms up.